Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome to another vid. Today's video is a really new vid because it's a home bargains haul and I've never actually been there before. I don't know if any of you guys will have been, but lots of people were asking me what I got there and like they were really interested about it and stuff. So I thought I would do a little haul. It's very random. It's got like some Christmassy bits and then that's like house and home cleaning, random, just really random bits. So yeah, I'll just get into it. I'm recording this. It's Sunday morning. It's really weird for me. I never would do that usually on a Sunday morning. I never would usually record on a Sunday morning, but I'm kind of liking it. It's kind of good. Kind of enjoy it. Yeah, and I have I literally only got this the other day. Opened it last night. Festive Spice Next Diffuser. I literally could smell it all night and it was like across the room. And I just kept like smelling it. I was like, Jesus, is that it? It can't be it. But it is. And then I have this cute little candle as well. It's from Dunnes. It's a Christmassy one too. It's clementine and cinnamon. So kind of Christmas vibes, but not too Christmassy. Our Christmas tree is up, but we're going to decorate it today. So that video will be coming soon as well. So yeah, the first thing that we got, I have to show you this really quickly. What was nothing because it's a Christmas present. They had so many dog toys. So this is the one that we got him, and we also got him Christmas treats. Yeah, these are the Christmas treats that we got. They're chomping chews with turkey and cranberry. How cute. There's so many little Christmas treats for dogs and like so many toys and stuff, so it'd be so good for a little Santa present. Crazy dog mom alert. But yeah, then I also got this. I've only had the normal one of this and it's really good. I think it was really cheap there. It was like under £3, I think. Is it like €5 or is it like €3? I actually don't really know. But anyway, yeah, this is the pet stain and odor remover. I don't know if there is like pet smells or not. Maybe I'm just so used to it, but anyway, I thought I'd give it a go. They didn't have the normal one, they only had this one, but like may as well try it out. So yeah, it does definitely do a good job. So I'm thinking I'm gonna use it on our rug, but it's definitely the best carpet cleaner because I've used so many other ones and they're literally useless. And it's also so handy because it has this like little sponge and brush on the top, so it's a lot less mess, because some of them you have to like mix with water and then like use a brush yourself and it's just all over you by the time you're finished. So this one is a lot easier to use, except I opened too much of the seal inside. You're not meant to open it also. The last time it literally did the tiniest bit and I was like, what the hell? Well, that was why, so it's my own fault. So I thought I'd give it another go. My dad also always uses it, so he knows what's up. So then we got just disinfectant spray. You can't go wrong. Ours was nearly gone. So cheap there. I always see Mrs. Hinch using this white vinegar spray, and white vinegar is so good for cleaning, but so much handier in a spray instead of like having to water it down and do it and whatever yourself. It's much easier. Obviously it was so cheap. Like this brand is literally dirt cheap. I don't think we have it, but correct me if I'm wrong. I haven't seen it in any of the shops. But anyway, yeah, I had to get that because I'm literally, well, I'm not Mrs. Hinch, but I need to be Mrs. Hinch because I love her. So it's multi-purpose. It removes laundry stains and limescale. I didn't know it removed laundry stains, but I think it's also really good for getting stains out of carpet and all that as well. So that kind of makes sense, because I remember when I was looking up like home remedies to clean our rug and stuff, it was like coming up with it was saying use white vinegar and baking powder or something like that, so that kind of adds up to me. Oh my god, look what I got. I got this cute little hot chocolate set for myself. It was so cheap. I really mostly just wanted the mug. The mug is gorgeous, like so nice, so simple, kind of like Starbucks cup vibes, but like with Christmas trees on it, you know, just their plain Starbucks cup that's a Starbucks there. It's just gorgeous. It's so nice, so big. It's literally like a big soup bowl, which is what I need at the moment. I'm literally gonna wash it now and use it because I'm dying to. And then also just comes with a cute little pair of red fluffy socks, which like I'm obviously gonna have to wear them on Christmas Eve. They're so cute. And then a little hot chocolate mix, which I also would not say no to at all. So cute. I love that. That'll be such a nice little gift, or even like, you know, when you just need like little stuff to go with a bigger gift or whatever, and it'd be so good for that. So yeah, that was so cute. I just love the mug so much. I kind of wish I got a second one now, but it's just excessive. Randomly got a little a new pan, because if you know, pans just lose their non-stick after literally 1 second. You fry one sausage and there's no non-stick left. So we just got one of them because we needed one. They're really cheap there. All that type of stuff was so cheap there. Then I got, they had another Christmas decor as well, but it was only in a massive bottle and stuff, and I was just like, oh, I don't know if I use all of it over Christmas. I mean, I would probably use it next year anyway, but I just got this one for now. So it's cranberry and orange. So nice. I really want to smell it, so I'll smell it for you guys. Literally put it right in my nose. Smells so nice. I can't wait to use it. I'm gonna use it today. I literally cannot wait. I feel like I'm half asleep, guys. It must be like, Jesus, why is she so dull and boring? The rest of the stuff is a bit like, you're gonna be like, okay. So random and so boring, but we got stickers for our wheelie bins. Some dashboard wipes, they're so handy to have. I already have some, but I said, Con, you need to get yourself some because they're so handy to have. And then got some more of these for our little dishwasher thing. I got one more thing, but it's in the dryer because I want it to be ready for later. So I got this really nice big teddy fleece throw, so we use this like on the couch, even though we just bought another one. Con's granny had this like electric blanket for the couch, like it's like a full-on blanket, like fur, like soft, but you can plug it in. How good. And it heats up, so we were very jealous when we saw that, so I think he ordered one on Amazon, so I can't wait for that to arrive today. We've got so many blankets, but you can never have too many, like never ever, and they look nice as well. So yeah, we picked up this big one. It was really cheap, can't remember how much, but it was good. I vlogged it when I went, so like I showed the prices for loads of stuff, and I showed loads of other good stuff that they had in as well, because obviously I didn't need or want everything that they have, but like you guys might want other stuff, so I showed you a lot. They had a lot of Christmas stuff actually. I didn't get any like Christmas decorations or anything really, but they did have nice ones. So yeah, it's definitely worth the trip, honestly. Going up was so worth it. Like we came back with a car full of stuff. I actually got a good bit of Christmas shopping done as well, so obviously can't really show you those bits in case the people watch, but yeah, we got a few bits actually that were presents and stuff in Homeware too, but I just can't show you. Well, I showed you Bobby's, but he's oblivious. So then we got this mirror, and it's just a little cute roundy one. I think we'll put it in probably the downstairs bathroom. It's just black. They also have gold, but I just love the little roundy ones. They're so nice. This was so cheap. It was like £6.99, well £6.99, but still so good. And then I got 2 of these size canvases, and they actually came with 2 other ones in the back that I'm sure I'll use for something. But yeah, I was planning on doing, you know, just like those plain, like really textured ones that there's some artists that does them and they're like really expensive, but I saw Sophia and Jinsey and a few other people do like copies of them, like they just did them themselves, so I might do something like that, just to like, I don't know, have more stuff on our walls. Our walls are all a bit bare, we've not got really anything on them. So yeah, they were so cheap, so it's worth a try. I don't know what these little wood things are, but anyway, yeah, cute. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this random little video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.